Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making Nigerian Scotch Egg, and if you're not part of the Gallant family, please be part of us by subscribing to our channel, like it if you like what I'm going to be cooking today, and share. Thank you. I have boiled eggs. Boil your eggs. That's the very first step you need to take when you're making a Scotch egg. And the next step will be detailed after, will be your sausage. If you look at it, this is Italian sausage. And I'm going to open it and show you how to mold it. So stay tuned. Yeah. Another quick tip for making Scotch egg is after washing it, you have to kind of dry it. If you don't dry it, it's going to be very difficult for you to roll the sausage around it. Adding a little bit of garlic. If you like, you can leave it just like that, but I need some more garnish to mine. And this is a little bit of broth, and mash it all together. After adding the garlic powder and broth, mix the sausage together very well. Beat your 3 uncooked eggs. Add a little bit of broth to taste. Powder your cutting board with all-purpose flour. Then scoop and partition your sausage into the amount of egg boil. This is to ensure you have equal amount of sausage for all the eggs. You can notice that I'm portioning it out according to the number of eggs I have. Is to ensure that everything will go around the egg and they will have almost the same size. Otherwise you can have one big and the other one is small. So that's a quick tip you need to start with. Roll your sausage meat with all-purpose flour. This is to ensure that your sausage meat does not stick to the board. Then flatten your sausage meat with a wooden pin, or you can also use your hand. Wrap the sausage meat around your boiled egg until it is completely covered. I'm gonna be putting the stove on. It's a deep fry. You can see that I'm frying the Scotch egg, but I want to let you know that you can also put it in the oven, leave it for 15-20 minutes. Remove egg once it is golden brown. Your Scotch egg is now ready to be eaten. It looks so good, just how I like it. Nice. Hopefully you enjoy it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.